Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a photo to your Facebook like page on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Facebook account, as well as a like page. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to a shortcut, which is on the toolbar, facebook.com/computer science videos, which is the Facebook like page for myself. And now to post a photo, let's just create post, or we can go to photo and video, click on this. Before we do anything, make sure you have a photo available to post to your Facebook like page. We can now go to a new desktop, go all the way down to the dock again, go to photos. Let's just take a photo from our photo library, drag and drop to desktop. Let's just close photos, go all the way to the next desktop or the previous desktop, go back to Facebook, your like page, photo, video. Now we have the photo available on the desktop. Click on choose. So this is uploading. Let's just say computer science videos in hashtag. My MacBook Pro. We can also add additional things to the post, boost the post. Let's just click on post. We have now posted a photo to the Facebook like page, computer science videos. And so we can quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.